the inputs you give to the tool, it's RTL code you have developed and verified. Then you also create a constraints file and give it to the tool as an input. So this constraint tool defines all the clocks that are in the design and how fast they are running. And then it also talks about any exceptions like multi-cycle pattern you have in the design. It talks about any constraints other things you have in there, and talks about any power and area requirements. And so this is the constraint file. You feed it into your logic synthesis tool, and then you specify your target libraries, which library of cells you want the tool to use. And then you run the synthesis tool that generates the gate level netlist.